Mutang i-like ang aming video, mag-subscribe sa aming channel at i-turn on ang notification bell. Now, don't forget to give us a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe.
Hello guys! Continuous ang vlog na ito. Watching that watching that machine, hoy, kalbo. Look at my husband now, Shaolin soccer lang. Look at his hair. It look like now. So, continuous ang vlog kasi mga Timo at unboxing product tayo guys. Kasi nga guys, nagtitimo pilit ako, so I need to include this my vlog and YouTube. So we will see guys, no? Kung ano ang laman nito. Alam ko, of course. So we will see guys, kasi di ba may mga mali-mali nga mga product na dinedeliver nila. So we will see kung ano ito. So continuous tayo sa ating pagbablog. So yung mga update ni YouTube guys, no, hindi ko na pinoproblema yan for the moment kasi I try my best na ginagawa ng paraan yan, pero siguro may mga day pa para sa mga update na yan. Wala akong na-receive na mga update ni YouTube kasi daw nakikita ko sa mga tutorial guys. May mga update na naman daw si YouTube. Nag-new rules na naman parang si Meta. So we will see guys kung ano ito. Hindi lang ba pwede mag-upload lang tayo ng video guys. Dapat alam din natin mga update ni YouTube. Hindi lang dapat busy tayo sa pag-upload ng video. Dapat alam din natin yung mga update ni YouTube. So, naka-open na guys. Timo, affiliate. Benjamin. The first item, this is the 5 items guys because 1 holding walker, 2 shoes, tripod, and my cover. So, ito muna guys, ang first is ang holding walker. Ni Benjamin. Ipaitan ako sa Golden Walker, guys. Kay, hanang maglakat na siya, guys, ba? So, dili ko masigig gunit dari sa iyang armpit, sa iyang shoulder, kaya makapiam na, guys. You have possible na we can break the hands of our baby. So, we need this one. Chiki-chiki-chiki-chik. Ayan. At may mga nakalagay pa na sign, guys, o na. Ano siya? So, meron siyang mga ganito. So, ito guys, mga bicolor siya ganito. Holding walker ni, ano man yung nag-against the light man akong cameraman. Holding walker ni Benjamin. Nag-against the light, yun akong camera. Kailangan yun magbutang may curtain dali kaya karay mag-vlog ko. My love, we need to put curtain in this window because when I do vlog against the light, it's not good my video. You see my video in my YouTube? So, the first, guys, i-unbox natin guys yung Timo. Pilit man ta, so i-include na ako sa akong vlog ni. So, this one. Sharing! Dito si Benjamin, oh. So, try lang sa akong bana. Kung bana, mag-try. My love, you have to try it this for Benjamin. It's already naman a symbol, oh. No need na to a symbol. You put only here, Benjamin, and you hold like that. See, because it's not going to hold it. Always hold his armpit here is getting for him to break his hand. Is long hair na pala ako guys. Mapaputo na naman ako ng buhok kasi mainit guys. And lalo na guys kapag cold, mabigat di ba yung mga sinusuot natin kapag cold, mabibigat ang sinusuot natin ng mga jacket. So ayaw ko mahaba na buhok kasi nga mabigat na nga yung jacket, mabigat pa ang buhok, plus bugat pang dagway. Nawa na yun guys, samot na yun tani ka, pagbulay o ganing style. Di ba, in-inventor na kayo, magsuot na mga daghan king sa nina, samot na jacket. Kitugnaw. Samot na dyan guys, na-realize na ako nga samot makabukat ang buhok. Parang akong giputla ni siya guys, papabukan man daw, my husband, he wanted man daw to fix my hair soon. So, I can cut a little bit here, until here. My love, try daw this Benjamin, my love. It's safe naman no, because because this one, oh. Safe naman, guys, ito. Holding walker! Benjamin, this is for you. You have to try it. The next, guys, is I-try daw niya guys, mamano sa ito ni kanon. The next is Benjamin shoes! Tik, 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 tik. Wala ba? Shoes. Benjamin. This is like good for him na.
Mine
Oh.
same that one.
No, it's color. This one is gray, something like that. Yeah, but it's look at my love. It's not. Oh, there's no hole here. That before is there have hole. Oh. Hmm. But I buy again next time. It's good. It's nice good for him. It's easy for him to wear. And guys, so shoes ni Benjamin. The second. I like this one today. It's easy lang for him to wear ba. Not other shoes. I need to learn how to wear for him the other shoes. This one mo guys is na ano ba kanang try na ko saya dali na kay saya makusuot guys. Try na nako guys kani siya dali lang kay katong uban magud na shoes guys. Langan pa nako mag-learn guys sa uban. Kailangan pa nako guys mag-learn sa uban shoes. Kailangan ma-learn ako usa lang ko pagpasuot sa iya ha. Ang uban shoes nga ako napalit. Kani man na try na ako sa iya many times ba. So I try it. So I need pa to edit video guys na. I need to do faster because I need to upload every day. Oh, sinabi go pinati. Benjamin shoes. Where's in the inside? Naka 6 minutes na tayo, guys. Ayan. So, ito lang nasa loob, guys. Ayan. Ito yung sa ano. Ganito lagi siya sa loob, guys. Pero may ano mag siya, guys. So, may ano siya dito, may ano ba? Ayan. So, ayan. Ito, guys. Ang shoes ni Benjamin. Makainis na ba ang team mo ngayon, guys, that have import charge? I'm so very, very annoyed ba? So, I buy also Benjamin for shoes for going outside, guys. Benjamin, don't hold me because I'm doing video here. Yan. Ito, guys, oh. And the other one is Benjamin, another shoes. So, kalabot sa, ano, guys, oy, sa against the light. Oy, napo yung sige panguit dali yung bata na gamay. There pa little baby, they always touch with me. Oh, it's so cute, guys. Wait lang. For the church. Benjamin. It's one of
You know to take care only for little girl baby.
this is not little girl. Oy, this is for the man. It's unisex, meaning to say it's for unisex. Yeah. I got guys. Maybe this is the same. Huh? Why is there wait? I'm not sure yet. What's happening? Oh, ano pala to? May isa naman siya dito. May ganito. So ano to? Para saan to? Ano pa itong steam mo? Ano itong mga nilalagay niya dito sa shoes? So, ayan na guys. Ayan na. Ayan. Cute, guys. This unisex guy, meaning to say, is for any gender. Huh? Cute. So, the fourth one is, wow! Thank you Lord that I buy perfect one. My tripod ang ating pagkakitaan showcase ang vlogging and itong tripod and also the cover of my phone. I'm very thankful I start my pangkabuhayan showcase. This is my job guys for the moment, doing vlog so that my husband invests me tripod and cover in my phone. Mag-invest ito mga gamit guys for vlogging. We need to invest those things for vlogging because this for the moment that we do extra income for the online, especially to Timo affiliate, to selling online, like that. For the moment, I do not work. So ito muna. Nag-invest muna ako guys ng mga gamit pang vlogging. Yan. So, mamaya na guys, screenshot ko lang yan. No need na to, kasi nga, AI na ako nagta-thumbnail guys. So, no need na ako mag-take picture. Nandiyan pala si AI, gawa ng thumbnail. I'm thankful! I buy perfect, my love. I buy the size perfect. Because before, the hub is more like this here, like baby playing. Like toy of baby ba? And now, I was confused which one is size. Because I don't know the size of mine before. And now, guys, jiggy, 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 jiggy. Are you jealous, my love? My love? I have new things. My love? Are you jealous? I have new things. It's not jealous though, guys. You guys, it's not so jealous. You cannot get talking with me, guys. Thank you all ako, guys, kasi nga, maybe we'll see later, guys. I take a screenshot, the right size of this one. Because they have two options, guys. This one, pili nyo yung 2.5 cm man siguro, I forgot. So, kasi may maliit ito, guys. Kapag katunga, aniyahang holder. Ana, katunga. Useless, hindi mo magamit. So, I'm thankful kay, I got the correct one. Dati, I don't like this one, guys, but when you know lang how to manage it, you like it. Yeah. Next time, before I don't like this one. I'm looking really, really the good one. But when I try it, it's nice naman pala, guys. I like it. Dito i-remove mo to siya dito, guys. So, ito. I-remove mo to siya dito. Kapag ito masira, pwede mo to siya i-remove. I-remove mo lang dito. Tapos ito ilagay mo dito. My love, can you do it this for me, my love? My love, can you put it this for me? The last one, guys, is but now the least. Ang init dito sa friends, guys. This one! Oh, so mag-invest ito mga gamit, guys. Kaya mama na ito pagkabuhayan showcase for the moment of truth. For the while now.
Why do you put like this?
We don't have work. Yeah, that one I'm using outside because my tripod, before you see that, my black tripod, is dancing. That's why those people that are watching there say that, Madam, that your video is shaking. Because my tripod is dancing, guys, but it's shaking. Go I'm telling you before my last vlog. This one good, oh. Give me that one, my love. I need this sample. This one good, guys, oh. This one. My tripod is shaking. This one, I know the clip is shaking my tripod before. And then when I do vlog like that, guys, this is shaking. So I'm just confused which one I can control. This one ba or this one. So I can control this one, guys. I use like that. I hold like that. It's so hard for me. So much better you can hold na lang like this. So this one is shaking like that, but it's dancing like that. Nagaganyan, guys. So it's hard for me to control which one I control. Oh, yan yung guys ito. So hanggang dito na ang aking vlog, guys. Thank you so much.